I'm Alex Shaw, and I'm the head of Big Data Platforms here at Quantium, and my role is to make sure that our analysts have the platforms they need to do great analytics with. At Quantium, we believe that when expertly harnessed and strategically applied, data can be transformational. Quantium offers a 15-year track record of innovation in data science and applied analytics. We combine the best of human and artificial intelligence to power possibilities for individuals, organisations and society as a whole. We work with iconic brands in over 20 countries, partnering on their greatest challenges and unlocking transformational opportunities through data. So our initial use case involved replacing the middle layers of the traditional workflow of serving data off our big data platforms through SQL engines and those sorts of things, and enabled us to provide a direct access into the cluster for visualization to occur in real time, and reduces our licensing costs and complexity of setting up data flows to ensure that data is in the right place at the right time. The big data ecosystem is a thriving microcosm of technologies that provide a wide array of capabilities, but there are some areas that haven't been well addressed historically. One of these has been a way to quickly serve data for analytical purposes, which has hampered the take-up of big data for serving analytical processes in general. Everything from interrogating data to understanding its structure and quality, through to serving performant visualization solutions based off big data technologies has been hampered by this lack of capability. Dremio solves that for us by providing the glue that allows our analysts to directly query data on our big data platform without the need for intermediary layers or for a specific technology for every single use case. Another important aspect to Dremio is the self-service format of data. With spaces and individual permissions per views, people can share their data without the need for IT teams to get involved and without a number of extra copies of that data needing to be made. It also provides a much more flexible way of sharing data rather than needing to use standard Unix file permissions. We spent some time trying to reconfigure the existing technologies we had on the platform to better cater for these analytical needs and to support the analytics workflow. But we couldn't find anything that was powerful enough. One of the really great things we discovered about Dremio was just the ease of integration into that big data stack. And it meant we could get it up and running within a short period of time and be serving our analysts' queries very quickly. One of the main benefits to Dremio that our users see are its intuitive and easy to use interface. With one consistent, seamless interface for interacting with all of the separate parts of the system, Dremio works and makes it easy for our users to get on board and start using. One of the other key features that we really find valuable within the Dremio product is the use of data acceleration. Our analysts are able to optimize their queries in a very short amount of time, meaning that they can get on and do more analytics and are more productive during the day. Our experience working with the team at Dremio has been a really positive one. They're very quick to support and very knowledgeable about the product itself. They're able to give great advice in terms of optimizing our setup and even down to the query level in order to make best use of the product. So I'd say what surprised us most about it working with Dremio is the speed of support. So both in addressing any issues we've had and in addressing requests for new functionality. They take a very proactive approach to us as a customer. So we generally see it as a more collaborative relationship rather than one that we just are asking for support. The other thing that's surprised us is how well the product just works. We haven't spent a long time having to configure and tune and tweak it. Pretty much works straight out of the box. For the right use case and in the right environment, we would absolutely recommend Dremio to other companies.